How to cancel order in Ubereats. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can cancel order on Ubereats. In order to cancel an order in Ubereats, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And after that, open up a web browser and then log in into your Ubereats account. So after you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Once you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the try bar icon located right on top, and in the left hand side bar, you'll be able to see orders. Click on it. After that, it's going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to see your list of orders that you've made throughout the year. So in order to cancel your order, you'll need to tap on the cancel button if you see any cancel button. In case if the order has already placed and it's soon to be delivered, then you might be charged with some certain amount or a fine, so you have to pay for it. Only then the product will be cancelled. And in this way you can cancel an order on Ubereats. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.